Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing the Xbox controller, but it's not any Xbox controller, it's the red update one. So today we are gonna unbox this. So Mom, say hi.
Hi.
So Mom, can you open this box? 3, 2, 1. Wow! This is so cool. So this is the new red one what I was talking about. And this is the Pulse red one. It's really cool. And it's very big. And it's nearly the same size of the other black and the white Pulses. Yo, this is so cool. As I was saying, yeah, this is actually the Xbox controller, but it's the Microsoft one, and it's the red one. This is a D-pad. These are the joystick. This is the screenshot button. This is the share button, and this is the menu button. And these four are the controllers to go in games. And this is a connector, which you can connect, and this is the impulse triggers, which helps you what to do. Like if there's something going on in the game, it will vibrate like this. And these grips feels like you're sleeping somewhere, which is comfortable. And if you open this, yeah, like there'll be cells in here, so you can put it and control it. This is the Bluetooth button. If you need to connect the PC, you have to click this. It will connect to the PC. And this is the cell, what I was talking about. And to avoid this again and again, this is a play and a charge kit, which is saying here. And this is rechargeable, so you don't have to put the cell again and again. If I open here, we will see this, and these all three will say the instructions what to do, like if you don't know. And this is the Xbox Game Pass, which I already have. So you need an Xbox Game Pass to use games like this on your PC. You can't play for longer if you don't have Xbox Game Pass. Next we have Bluetooth adapter for Windows 10. You don't need a wire to connect all the way to the PC till here. Wireless adapter for Windows 10. And the last one is a rechargeable battery kit. So yeah, it's Om signing off. Bye, and please subscribe and share and like down the video. Bye.